Hello, it's Jeremy, December 28th, 2018. 7:03 p.m. I got a call earlier while I was working and I wasn't able to pick it up. This might be part 2 of the prayer stuff. Let's call back and see what it was. All right?
Someone around you has done something against you. Press the numerical button 1 now. I must share what the Lord showed me. Press the numerical button 1 now. Someone around you did something against you. Press the numerical button 1 now. This is one of the reasons why you had to go through what you went through, even with this family member. Press the numerical button 1 now. Press 1 now.
If you wish to no longer receive these messages, please hit the option 3 now.
I'll go with 1. Oh, I guess I'm going to have to call back and say number 1. Did you hear that, though? Holy cow.
Someone around you has done something against you. Press the numerical button 1 now. God is about to reveal something to you about someone so that you will know how to proceed. There's a specific anointing on you. I need you to begin to say, show me, Lord, show me, Lord. You have 3 seconds. Say it now.
Show me, Lord.
For I heard the Lord say, even as you declare that God will not only reveal things to you, but He's also going to begin to shake certain things around you. You're about to begin to see that something that you started, that you were not able to finish because of certain things that took place, God says that He brings it back up and He begins to use this moment and this situation to create space for an opportunity for you to do it and to obtain it. There's also going to be a season where I heard the Lord begin to say, laughter begins to make merry. It's going to be very important that you do not take things serious, take things too serious, or you do not allow certain things that are taking place around you to happen or take it too personal, lest it will cause a specific type of downfall and there will be error and mistakes that will yield a financial mess. There's also going to be a time that it's going to be very important that you understand that there is a structure, and so you cannot try to bypass the process because God says, I have not forgotten about you, but there's a process that you're going through before He will release what is for you. That is the word of the Lord. Here is a situation that you've been in long enough, you've been dealing with it long enough, and I don't know what this is about, but God told me to tell you today that He's about to send you help. I don't know what you've been trying to do, what you've been asking for, what you've been praying for, what has been going back and forth, what should have been done by now, but for some reason it has been elongated, it has been taking forever, it doesn't look like it's done. God, He says, I'm about to send thee help. The Bible says in Psalms 20 verse 2, send thee help from the sanctuary and strengthen thee out of Zion. God says, I'm about to send you help that's about to cause this thing to stop. God's about to send you help. I don't know what this thing is. I don't know what took place in your finances, what took place in your household, but God is about to send help. Help is on the way. You will not stay like this. You will not stay in this. Help is on this way. Whatever you've been trying to pay off, to take care of, help is on the way. Whatever is trying to show up in your body, help is on the way. Whatever is trying to show up in your household with your family, help is on the way. When you begin to activate your faith, God says, with a help me seed, watch what I'm about to begin to release you with. Help me with my finances. Help me with my family. Help me with my household. Help me with my job. Help me with my business. God says, watch what I will begin to do. I shall look up unto the hills which cometh my help. My help cometh from the Lord. I don't know what this thing is, but I want you to move quickly with the help me seed. Help me seed of $45 for the gospel, or that $145. The $20 adding the 45 cents. Your best seed adding the 45 cents at the end of it, representing your help me seed. This is why they did not help you, because God says, I am going to help you. This is why they turned on you, because God says, I am going to help you. I want you to move quickly. I want you to move quickly. I don't know what happened. I don't know what took place that was unfair. I don't know what they tried to pin on you, but God says, I'm about to help you. I want you to move quickly with the help me seed of $45, or that $145, the $20 adding the 45 cents, and the 1,045. My dear friend, your best seed. Get as close as you can get to the 45, adding the 45 cents at the end of it, representing your help me seed. Please hold as I connect you to my blessed operator now.
So that's what it was.
To make your donation now by credit card with a live agent, press 1. Or, to save the ministry money, you can make your donation through our automated system. For this and all other questions, press 2.
See if they pick up. So after all that, I get a call last week. Was it a week, 2 weeks ago? Asking if I want a prayer, someone to pray for me. I said, yeah. And they said they'd call back with a prayer. That was the prayer that I just got there. Now, at the beginning, I really liked his enthusiasm. They hired a good guy. Real nice, enthusiastic. Really got me going there until he started mentioning money. What? Creator God's not going to save me unless I give that $40, that $100, that $145, $45 for the seed? Come on now. What the hell? What the heck? I tell you, I'm not much of a religious person. I believe in a creator, and people using the creator or a god or whatever as their means to get money from unsuspecting fucking idiots. Fuck the idiots and fuck these people who are trying to get money from me. That's why I'm on here to talk with a live agent, because I'm going to be like, hey, you like fucking working for a freaking scam like that? Really? Do you? Is that what you do? But you know what? I don't know if I'll be able to keep going long enough to get a freaking representative on the phone. So, we're not going to do this one. We're going to end this one right here. Alright? So, wow. Oh, well, that's some time in our life. You and I both will not get back. Later on, sorry that you watched. Sorry that I heard. But I'm glad, hey, at least they followed through and came through. Even if I liked it or not, they came through with what they said they were going to do, and they did. So, hey, props to the ministry. Whatever.